Wow, the Amazon shopping experience has never been better and or brighter. OMG. We just found, what do you even say? Hair trail? This is the cheapest electric skateboard on Amazon. We found it for $159.99 plus $20 shipping in stock. Get it as soon as January 12 through 18 when you choose expedited shipping at checkout. What did that have to do with anything? I do not know. This is what the box looked like. Came just like that. Well, at least we know it's not coming out. But look, it was fully like open. Maybe somebody at the post office was like, dang, that's the sickest board I've ever seen.
They probably took it for a spin.
Let's beep it. Okay.
Oh God.
This thing did get charged. Did it come with this pen cap inside?
It actually did, dude.
Suspect. Extremely suspect. Well, let's just check this out. Specification, instruction, charger, switch on, off, charging place, advance, back, start key, skid, indicator light, switch on, off. This might be actually not bad. Oh, the cheapest is gonna be the worst, but I don't know. Step 1, open the slide switch and remote switch, and then advance start key. Back, the start key is skid. I'm not making that up. 3, press the switch all the time. Slide is shut. What? I'm gonna assume that this is where it was charging. This is how you turn it on. There's supposed to be a light or something?
Oh no, it should make a beep, right?
I don't know. I think you pay extra for the beep. Open the slide switch and remote control switch. Put down start key to skid point. Move advance back for 1 time. It is okay. Pull key back and forth for 3 times. And then power on switch of slide. It is okay. What? Hello, my friend. First, please turn off the electric skateboard and the remote control. This might be the answer we've been looking for. Let me just try and follow this very clearly.
I have to say hello, my friend, to the electric board first.
Hello, my friend. I had to return it. It never works. Very disappointed. I had to go on YouTube, many videos, but one problem. How do you know if you're doing it right if it does not work? Well, mine did not work. Oh no. Well, it rolls pretty nice. Yeah, it's just a problem getting the remote control to work with this, I guess. Not like a whole lot going on. There's literally one black thing with one button and no buttons to say like whether or not it's working. Green light flashing. What do we do, Gabe? What do we do? Like, here we go, wait. You ready? Whoa! Whoa! It's really rolling! We got it to work. Is that somebody for us?
I don't know.
Is Fetty Potter here? Let's go find out. Somebody's here. Hey, Lena. Why don't you ride that around and I'm gonna read some reviews. Third is broken, man. Just return it and get a refund in like 2 weeks or so. Basically every review is like, it doesn't work. Just return it and get a refund. Maybe we should just return it and get a refund. Lena, should we make this video? Should we just can this video? What do you think? I couldn't agree more. Jay Wilson gave it 5 stars. 35-year-old kid here wanted a way to move around a few places without walking back and forth. Who likes exercise when you can ride a motorized death machine? Other than the odd smell and potential lithium fires from the cheap battery pack. The batteries catch on fire, just scream, okay? It has been a decent board so far. Will come back after spending a little more time with it or not, depending on the hospital, if the hospital has Wi-Fi or not. I received the item about a week ago and the battery does not charge. It worked fine for a week and then after that the battery doesn't charge, and when you try to charge the battery it doesn't charge, and all the red light on the charger just blinks, and the motor does not work at all either after a week, and I did not do any stupid tricks, just regular riding. Kickflip off. Oh, paper over rock. Okay, I'm gonna kickflip. Oh. Well, if it wasn't broken before, it's certainly broken now. Dude, it's hard. No wonder people didn't like it. Or no wonder it's cheap, I guess. I need to turn on the accelerator.
Exactly. Oh, it's done now.
The batteries are still in. We're good to go. What do I do, Gabe? Get some speed? Maybe like the world's cheapest electric skateboard versus the world's most expensive electric skateboard?
Dude, I don't understand how this isn't the worst reviewed as well.
Yes! I know, it actually has some good reviews. And what's funny is the guy that gave it 5 stars was like, if I don't end up in the hospital from the lithium battery fires, I'll leave another review on it, another comment.
What's funny is that's what I was worried about.
Fires?
Yeah.
I know, can you imagine? We leave the Braille house, we leave this overnight, and we come back and the Braille house is on fire from the lithium ion batteries.
Here.
That did it. I actually think it might be easier to do a tray flip. Okay, right here. All right, this one's for Gabe Cruz.
Oh!
What I want to do is focus it, but I'm worried about the lithium ion batteries like creating a sort of landmine explosion and blowing one of my legs off. I'm not kidding.
No, I completely agree.
You got the picture? I gotta do this in a line, and I gotta tuck those in.
Oh!
Like I said, I think the tray flip is easier. Where's Carlos Lasher when you need him? Tray flip the 5 already.
Wow.
Like, did I land that?
Yes, you did.
Is that real? You know what I need for a little inspiration?
What?
A review. For all we know, it like works perfectly. We're just not doing the right combination of like up, down, left, right, left, right, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, right.
I blame it on the grammatical errors of the instructions.
I'm like the king of grammatical errors. The board will only turn on when it's on the charge. Please tell me why. Answer, mine completely broken. To be honest, I think it's one of my favorite electric skateboards. I could actually ride it. I love skateboarding. Who needs exercise? Just get it electric. Ooh, wait for it.
Oh, God.
There goes any possibility of future children.
Oh!
The lithium ion batteries. What we need to do is
do not trigger it, bro. You're gonna hit a rock to fakie and it's gonna blow up and just like send acid onto my face.
Well, that's what we need is a bunch of edits of just like roll up rock to fakie. As soon as I hit the coping, boom! It's maybe the best video we've ever made. I'm not even kidding.
First ever electric board 50-50.
Yeah, I got that. Not grinding on the motor.
That was actually pretty proper.
Come back to that. Come back to that. Oh, jeez.
Wow. Completely unexpected.
Dude, first try, so high, like I fly in the sky. I'm a rapper and a poet. Like you saw it, now you know it. Just got it in the mail, put it in the charger for 3 hours and nothing happens. If I press the button, it does nothing. This is extremely upsetting. Why are selling things that, and then it goes on and on. Charge for a whole day, only to find out it was never going to work. What a waste of time and money. And it was my son's birthday present. Didn't even care to return it. The first original package was damaged. The board was scratched and it did not charge. It was the hole in the box, must have been damaged in shipping.
You know, it was the postal service. They probably rode it around and then broke it.
I left it charging for 8 hours and still did not work. It was saying that it only like turns on when it's plugged in. So we're gonna see. Fully plugged in, power on.
It is green, means it is fully charged.
Is that what that means?
Yeah, I think so.
Boom!
Oh!
Whoa! It made a noise!
Get the remote.
The defense, we did drop the remote. You know how there's like a spring on one side?
Yeah.
Battery has no spring anymore.
My goodness.
So there's no way it's connected.
Where's Mario when you need him?
Yeah, seriously.
Well, now we have to give it a 5-star review.
Because yeah, truly. It worked great, and then we dropped the remote and broke it, and then it wouldn't work anymore. What about the lithium-ion batteries? All right, guys. Well, despite this electric skateboard not actually being electric at all, it was still pretty fun, and I thought the reviews were actually quite hilarious, and I had a lot of fun making this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. You can click right here and go to the playlist of all the other Cheap Skate episodes that we have made. On another note, we do want to teach all of you guys how to skateboard. We want to teach you how to skateboard so much that we are giving away for free Skateboarding Made Simple DVDs. These teach you the basics of skateboarding. All you have to do is click the link in the description below and pay for the shipping, and you'll get a bunch of other cool offers along with a free DVD. Now, I'm gonna do my very best at focusing the world's cheapest electric skateboard.
Aaron, can I just note that I'm horrified right now?
Remember that time we drilled into the Samsung?
Oh, it's smoking! That is not good. Run! What do we do? Run!
Yeah, that was terrifying.
You survived that, and you'll survive this, Cruz. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.